Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening YouTube and confirming you're signed into the account you want to inspect. Tap your profile image, then choose your data in YouTube or Settings to find activity controls. Make sure you complete any sign-in prompts, including 2FA, because you'll need full access to view history and search logs. Once signed in, navigate to Data and Personalization or History to begin. This gives the exact panels where viewing and search activity are stored and managed. Once on the History page, you'll see Watch History and Search History as separate lists. You can filter results by date or device to narrow what you need, and use the Manage Activity link to open a chronological view. When you tap an item, you can replay, remove it, or see details about when and where it was watched. Make sure to use the filter and search boxes to quickly find specific videos or queries without scrolling through long timelines. To finish, decide whether to delete entries, clear ranges by date, or pause history so new activity stops being recorded. Tap Delete next to an item or choose Delete Activity to remove a day, custom range, or all time. If you want ongoing privacy, toggle Pause Watch History and Pause Search History. If history doesn't load, sign out and back in, check account selection, or clear the app cache. These steps usually resolve sync or display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.